This is Cyber War News Now, reporting the news on the cyber war that is happening now. After this, head on over to my YouTube channel for more videos from the cyber war. While you are there, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss upcoming news. If you like what you see, don't like what you see, or want to discuss it, leave a like, dislike, or a comment on this video. Software is sold with the thought process that if issues occur, they can issue a software update. Users are learning that they should update as soon as they can to ensure that bugs and vulnerabilities are remediated. Unfortunately, this process can be a threat vector to be used by attackers. Microsoft users have been warned to watch out for a fake Office 365 site which is pushing malware disguised as a software update. The site is designed to resemble a Microsoft-owned site and even contains links that direct to pages hosted on Microsoft domains. After being on the site for a few seconds, users are presented with an alert saying that their browser needs to be updated in order to stay online. The site even presents different landing pages depending on the browser being used, even offering up alerts tailored to Chrome and Firefox users, which say their supposedly outdated software version could lead to errors and a loss of data. Clicking on the update button will lead to the downloading of the TrickBot Trojan, which will install itself onto the victim's device and begin transmitting information about their online habits. TrickBot is a particularly nasty form of malware that is notorious for stealing user information such as passwords, as well as browsing history and autofill data. If you haven't learned to not trust anything on the internet, you need to learn to not trust anything on the internet. This is a great way to convince the non-cyber focused to download malicious software. Be careful where you click. In a war we cannot see, knowledge is your only defense. Don't forget to visit my YouTube channel where you can subscribe, share, like, and comment on all the videos from Cyber War News Now. And we will see you next time.